Here are the tools needed to hang an object on the wall anywhere you want without having to find a stud. Your mollies, tape measure, pencil, screwdriver, or cordless drill, and a level. Let's get started. So we're going to center the mirror in between here, the end of the wall, and the switches here. So I'm already centered. I got my center and my height off the floor. So this is where we're going to install our molly for the mirror. Okay, so we got the molly in. So now let's hang the mirror.